Alright, kid, back at it again. This time in Bowling Green, Kentucky at the Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott. So first thing you notice, the brightly colored halls. This is a new place, or at least newly done. They have the key card that works on the RFID thing, so you don't have to slide it in and whatnot. So let's start here with the restroom. So in this case, we have a shower. It's all elegant and stuff with like the really high ceiling and little shower wall there. Yeah, plenty of room. Very clean, white. Yeah, it looks like it's in good shape. Again, I think it's a pretty new place. But towels are the normal Fairfield courtyard towels. Not the best, but yeah, they're kind of rough. But sink. Counter space aplenty, the normal, whatever that stuff is called. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So, here we go. We have a mini fridge, along with a microwave, coffee maker, all that jazz. So we have the little wardrobe area here with the ironing board and iron. I don't see a hairdryer. Maybe it was in the bathroom, though. So, temperature, or thermostat, I guess I should say, is on the wall here. Nightstand on both sides, plenty of plugs, as always, a favorite of mine. Then we see the little nice wallpaper here with the little ivy kind of stuff going on. So, drawers here, a little stool you can pull out there. So TV, and then we move on into the suite area here. Yes, that's right, it's a suite. They like me today. So a little work area here, another TV, controlled independently. Just threw it on Food Network for you since I know that's your favorite. And then a little sitting area. I guess I could have turned on a light here, but yeah, there we go. And then the outside, you know, is this beautiful, it's snowing, but parking lot. And then the little structure that covers the entrance. So that's it, kid. See you later.